How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the guitar test vehicle today, which is a 2022 Skoda Karoq. So of course we're going to take this out on the Autobahn, see how it goes. We're going to get an acceleration run in as well, and then I'm going to come back and tell you guys what I think of this vehicle. Now, I've only been driving this for a few minutes, but I do have some first impressions for you guys. Before we get going, be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars, and since we're already here, let's just hit the Autobahn, see how it goes real quick. Alright, the 2022 Skoda Karoq. What do I have to say? So this is the Sportline version. So it has a bit more of sporty trim. The suspension is also adaptive. So you can have it very harsh and sporty, or hard and sporty, and you can also have it fairly comfortable and soft. And overall, I just got out of the Lincoln Co. 01, and I just have noticed that Skoda makes some really decent vehicles. I guess the whole Volkswagen group complex, I guess all of them, I guess Audi, Volkswagen, Skoda, you know, Porsche, they all make very nice vehicles. Now, of course, I'm not comparing this to a Porsche, but they're all from the Volkswagen group, and many others as well, and they just build solid vehicles. And you get in, you know exactly what to do, for the most part at least. I do not like the new Golf's infotainment system, like I've said multiple times, and also, of course, the assistance systems, which still suck. But here, even you have this button right here that you can press, and then you can turn off everything. That's decent. That's really not that bad. It's not that bad. I still would like to be able to hold this button and then everything would shut off. That's still not possible. I think we really need that with these assistance systems, but this is already, you know, this is fine, I guess. I don't have to look for it in any menu or anything. And like I said, I really like the old infotainment system from the Volkswagen group more than the ones that we get in the new like Mark 8 Golfs and such. So overall, this is a really, you know, nice vehicle, solidly built. It's not crazy good quality, but it's not bad either. You do have some hard touch plastic, like right here. I'm not sure why this door handle is hard touch. You know, you're going to touch this probably, you know, to shut the door or whatever. This is hard touch. Everything else is actually decent. So yeah, overall, that's what I can say about this vehicle. It is decent, and it has the little, when you put it in sport mode, it sounds like a GTI, but I guess it's real noise, but it's pumped in through the speakers. So I'm gonna floor it one more time again. So yeah, that's pumped in through the speakers. I'm not too sure if I like that or not, but if I would floor it without the, I guess the fake sound through the speakers, or real sound pumped in through the speakers, it would sound like this. So you don't really hear too much. But basically, this is I guess a toned down GTI in SUV format. You get 190 PS from the 2-liter TSI engine. So it's almost as powerful as a Polo GTI, and yeah, it doesn't feel bad. I mean, it's not crazy fast, especially up at higher speeds because it is an SUV, but it is decent. It really gets the job done. It has 4-wheel drive. My friend told me that the fuel economy in this is really not that great, especially being just a 4-cylinder. Now it is a turbo 4-cylinder and fairly powerful, but yeah, fuel economy wasn't great with this. But other than that, I really like this vehicle. And like I said, it's just really solid. And like I said, comparing, you know, Volkswagen Group vehicles to other vehicles, they just always feel well made, not the best quality. I still think, you know, many BMWs feel better quality wise, and I think especially better than a Skoda. But they just feel really well made, you know, well put together, and you know exactly where everything is, and that's what I come to Volkswagen Group for, and that's what I want. You can drive pretty much any Audi, you know, most Volkswagens except for the new Golf, and you know, any Skoda, and you know exactly what to look for. And there's no real major complaints with this, really. That's all I can say. So be sure to catch me in the next video. Leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you guys then.